Hey, this is Adrian from techworld. Today I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account very easily. For this, you have to open your Google Chrome. Then you have to click on the Facebook, which account you wanted to remove and deactivate. So I open my Facebook account, which one account I wanted to deactivate it. Then you can see here is my account. And go to the settings and privacy, then click on the settings option. Well, here are many options, so you have to select on the first one, personal details. Well, then click on the personal details. Look, here is an option, account ownership and control, so you have to click on that. Then deactivation and deletion. So I have an Instagram account with this Facebook account, so no worries with that. Here are two options. If you wanted to delete your account permanently, then you can select on the delete account, or if you wanted to deactivate your account for temporary, then you can select that one. Then continue. Then you can see I have to re-enter my password here. So here is my password. Now continue. Yeah, so you can choose anything from here, so I will choose that my account is hacked. Then click on the continue button, then account security and password, deactivate my accounts. Click on that. Yeah, it's done. So it's almost done. Thank you so much for watching my video, and like, share and subscribe my channel.